Hi all, welcome to today's vlog, and today we will be making a non-veg dish, and that is with chicken. That is crispy chicken strip fry. It's something we can add into a starter recipe. So let's head in. Now to make our recipe, I have taken over here nearly 200 grams of boneless chicken, and we have cut into strips as shown. Next, green chili as per your spiciness, medium piece of ginger, 1 egg, and medium garlic powder, curry leaves few, half a lemon, and small bunch of coriander leaves. Into the blender or crusher, we'll be adding green chili, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and squeezing lemon. Then we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of the peppercorns, 3 cardamoms, and we'll be crushing it well. We'll be adding our stripped chicken pieces into a separate bowl. Into it, add 1 beaten egg and then the crushed mixture, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder as per your spiciness, one tablespoon of the chicken masala, half a teaspoon of the garam masala, one and a half tablespoon of the rice flour. Now instead of this one, you can use the corn flour also. Mix it well until the masalas are well coated with the chicken pieces. Now we'll keep the marinated mixture in the fridge for nearly 1 hour. Next, after 1 hour, our chicken piece is ready to be fried. Next, I have heated a pan over here to fry our chicken pieces. Oil over here, either you can go up with a coconut oil or the vegetable oil. Later, add in the chicken pieces and fry until it's brown and crispy. Repeat the process for all the chicken pieces. We'll be transferring our fried chicken pieces into a serving plate. Garnish it with a tomato rose, a green chili, and some curry leaves. So here's our crispy chicken strips, and I hope you like it. It's very crispy, and do make it a bit spicier because that really enhances. And yeah, we'll be seeing with the next vlog, and until then, this is Nisha. Take care, stay safe, and bye all.